Here's the latest coming in right now. Centers for Disease Control releasing new guidance when it comes to wearing masks. We hear it over and over again. Wear your mask. With the update, say face coverings protect us from breathing in the virus and the people around us. So CDC originally pushing to wear these as a way to stop asymptomatic COVID carriers from spreading the virus. They're now saying, though, that some of the cloth masks we wear can be as effective as surgical masks to block potential coronavirus droplets from spreading into our air. Well, the number of COVID cases continuing to rise this morning across the state and right here in our area. In fact, if you look at Illinois alone, more than 5,000 patients now hospitalized with COVID. That is the most since this pandemic started. Region 1, if you hear Region 1 too, it's our entire state line really. We're down to 28% of medical beds available. That number has to stay above 20%. Our hospitals really going to be in trouble. Winnebago County Emergency Management is requesting more hospital beds sent in from the state right now.
I thought we had it bad in May, but there's no question that this is much worse. There's no question that we are going through a second wave. And honestly, based on the numbers, the second wave is at least, if not more than twice as bad as the first wave.
Local hospitals urging people follow mitigations, wear your mask, wash your hands, maintain social distance. We hear it over and over again, but they say it's just not happening. Well, we're learning that many people in the state line are being exposed when they go to school. State health officials just releasing new information on where people are most exposed when it comes to the virus. Now, bars and restaurants, they are at the top of the list, but if you look at just the state line's region, so schools, the biggest potential exposure location, that is the blue you're seeing there on the map. This is according to contact tracing coming from Illinois Department of Public Health. So we've been looking at this chart, seeing all these changes. Now, risks on students, faculty, really prompting school boards and districts like Freeport to move to remote learning. All staff gets lower and lower right now. People have been out.
One person who gets infected with a virus, the contact tracing could wipe out an entire classroom. It could eliminate a number of staff who could be in school working. I can't run a school without a principal, assistant principal, nurses, social workers.
I mean, that's the same at a lot of places right now. It's been really difficult. She's hoping to resume in-person learning after Thanksgiving, but agrees keeping people healthy needs to be the top priority right now. Well, the largest teachers union in Illinois says that pandemic has really been requiring teachers to think twice about their profession. Illinois Education Association just unveiled results of its COVID-19 educator poll. About 1/3 of its 1,300 members say they've considered quitting or changing their career path. IEA's president wants local health departments to step in. They want to keep students and staff safe.
We have some administrators or school boards, most who are not medical professionals or experts in infectious diseases, making decisions for in-person learning. It's pushing our members to the brink.
Poll also revealing about 75% of teachers believe this year's workload is a lot more than last year.